Good morning everybody and welcome to Living Uniquely You. Myself Sharon Brown. I hope you are all doing well on this Friday morning. So it's Easter weekend, so I'm just opening up and bringing in some codes to help you receive what you need to receive at this moment in time. So just letting it all go, dropping fully into our heart and literally just open. So it might be a hug from the universe, it might be reassurance, it's whatever you feel you need at this moment in time, whether you're watching it live or on the replay. It's just allowing yourself to open up. I'm going to bring in the drum so we can go really deep into ourselves and allowing our heart to open on a different level. There's so much going on a collective level. Even the planetary changes are seriously affecting people. We've a higher energy of consciousness coming in, which is causing a lot of people to be very unsettled at the moment. Especially as well, we had that full moon in Libra, which is really about focusing on relationships. So there's a whole lot of stuff going on, and because we are high vibrational beings, it does really affect us. So the only bit of advice I can give you is to stay in your own lane, keep yourself grounded as much as you possibly can, and hydrate really well. So that's what we need at this moment in time. So it's just opening up, and then it's just really not taking on anybody else's baggage, anybody else's stuff, and just taking and looking after yourself. Okay? So, and of course, if you would like to work with me on a one-to-one basis, DM me. If you're finding it hard not to go in, or what's really going on, if you can't get through something, book a call with me. So I'm just going to ask you to take a deep breath in. So calling all your energy back from people, places, situations, time and space. So all the way back through that divine filter of pure love and light. So you're going to unhook and unleash from everyone and everything. So all the way back through that divine filter of pure love and light, unhooking and unleashing from everyone and everything. So all the way back through that divine filter of pure love and light, and just breathe. Take another deep breath in, and allowing your energy to fully drop into you. So allowing you drop in to you. And breathe out. Take another deep breath in. Acknowledge how you're feeling, not wanting to change anything, and letting go of expectation, whether it's yours or somebody else's. Just dropping that energy of expectation. And breathe out. Bring your awareness to your heart, and as you bring your awareness to your heart, visualize 3 big golden roots coming out of your heart chakra, into your solar plex, into your navel, your sacral, your root, your hips, your legs, your feet, the floor, right down into your earth star chakra, through the dolphin matrix, into that inner cities, and right down into that whale, and dropping into the core of Mother Earth. Feeling your energy and Mother Earth's energy combining as one, and feeling this energy move up into your whale, your inner cities, your dolphin, into your earth star chakra, pulling your earth star chakra all the way down. right down into that center of the crystalline grid, all the way down, allowing you to fully anchor your energy into your rightful place. Feeling your roots wrap around the crystalline grid, fully anchoring you in. Just feel yourself fully anchoring in. This is your place, nobody else's, just yours. And feeling the second part of the grid to come up to fully seal in your Earth Star chakra. Feeling this energy move up into your feet, your root, and your heart. Doing a 360 degree around your heart chakra. Now I'm calling in the energy from Source, pure unconditional love of the highest vibration, dropping right down into your stellar gateway, clearing anything that's stopping you from having divine connection. Into your soul star chakra so you can see, sense and feel your true soul's path, and allowing that to fully illuminate in front of you. Into your causal chakra so your intuition can be fully heightened. Into the crown of your head so you can think more clearly. Into your third eye so you can see more clearly. Into your ear chakra so you can hear divine guidance. Into your throat chakra so you can speak your truth with pure love and light. Into the higher heart, connecting into that universal energy of 5D. And allowing you to anchor that within your life and body. Into your heart, so you can love you. You can see you. You can see your beauty inside and out. Into your solar plex, so you can unleash your true divine masculine energies, allowing them to fully balance within the body. And fully accepting yourself no matter what. Into your navel chakra so you can connect into that universal energy of oneness to all, connection to all, and allowing you to anchor that within. Into your sacral chakra so you can unleash your true divine feminine energies, allowing them to fully balance within the body. And remember, and reawakening your true gifts and talents, who you truly are. Into your root chakra so you can bring in the abundance of life and all life has to offer. Into your hips, your legs and your feet so you can take any necessary steps forward, right down into your Earth Star chakra and into the core of Mother Earth. Feeling this energy move up into your feet, your root and your heart. Doing a 360 degree around your heart chakra. Feeling your energy, Mother Earth's energy and Father Sky's energy combining as one. And feeling this energy move to every part of your body. Every part of your being. Allowing you to drop right down into that stillness. Into that oneness. Into that 0 point. Where nobody needs anything from you, nobody wants anything from you. This is your time and your space. So just allowing yourself to really drop in, opening up from the heart and just allowing. deeper within. Just crossing your hands over your knees and just slowly allow that energy to come back and come all the way back. Just going to pull a card, just allowing yourself, just pull a card. There's a lot of energy floating around at the moment, so I'm literally just going to pull a soul reflection card from Uriel Roberts. They're absolutely beautiful cards. Just see what the soul needs us to know. It's a lot of trying times for a lot of us at the moment, so just allow. And I know I need to say this, somebody needs to hear this. It's okay not to be okay. Okay, so just allow. So there's the beautiful card this morning, and it's Gentle Soul. O gentle soul, how meek thou art, your silent voice of this time's unheard. Within the rat race they call life. Your gentle whispers seek my return to a place now beyond ego's reign. So just be gentle with yourself. Allow yourself to go through the emotions. Allow yourself to be okay. Yeah, things can be hard, but it's okay. It will all work out in the end. Somebody needs to hear that today. Okay? So thank you for watching this. Thank you for watching the replay. And of course, remember to, if you want to work with me on a one-to-one basis, please DM me. Have a magical weekend, guys. It's Easter over here in Ireland. I will not be back on till Tuesday. Have a great weekend. Try not to eat too many Easter eggs. And of course, there's information on my retreat on my page in the events section if you're interested in that retreat in Cornwall. Take care and have a magical day. And remember to stay in your own lane, and you are the most important person in your life. Take care. Bye.